Do we have a representative on behalf of Rebecca Dallet? You're speaking,
I am.
and you're Jessica Lovejoy.
I am.
Thank you, Jessica. Here you go.
Thank you. Well, hello everyone, good afternoon. Thank you to the Wisconsin Grassroots Network and to John Stanley and the other organizers for being here today and bringing this together. My name is Jessica Lovejoy, and I am campaign manager for Judge Rebecca Dallet, who's also a candidate in this Wisconsin Supreme Court justice race. Her father is undergoing treatment for cancer, and she couldn't be here today, and regrets that and wishes that she could be, but wanted to make sure that we got the chance to come and speak before you all. I started in this work as a community organizer, and I believe fundamentally in the value of organizing. Here, talking to our neighbors, organizing block by block, county by county. And I joined this campaign because of Judge Rebecca Dallet's commitment to fair and impartial courts, and because of her experience and what she brings to this race. She is by far the most qualified candidate that we have had in a race like this in decades. She has 23 years of experience in the Milwaukee County court system, first as a prosecutor and then as a judge. And I think it's important to note that judicial elections are nonpartisan for a reason. We don't like when this happens on the right, and I think that personal political views should not influence the court's decisions. Judge Rebecca Dallet believes that as well, and that's why she's running to stop the influence of dark money on our court. And take, for example, the John Doe case. We familiar with this? Yeah, and the recusal rule. This has been up in the news last year or two. And what happened there? We had Justice Gableman, who we're running to replace, come in and receive millions of dollars dumped into his campaign to help support him and get him elected, right? And then the secret money goes into the race, and he wins a narrow victory. And then he rules on a case saying that he doesn't have to recuse himself, when we know that the money that came in, that got dumped into the system, was there, and it's influencing the court. And he's writing the decision saying that we don't have to recuse ourselves. This is exactly what's wrong with our courts right now and what Rebecca Dallet wants to stop. And just because that's what's happening right now doesn't mean that that's the way that it has to be. And so I'm here today to tell you that we need someone like Judge Dallet to stand up for what is right and to say that enough is enough. But she has been out there every day talking to voters, and she has earned the support of 130 judges from across the state. These are people that work every day with the court system, that understand what it's going to take to turn this court around. And so I'm here today to ask you to join us in this fight, because we cannot do it without you. And I look forward to continuing the conversation and hope you'll join us.